Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Today physics chapter 3 gravitation and flotation. We are still in the gravitation part. Last two numerical questions are remained. The first is that first and second we already have finished in the previous class. Today question number 3 is gravitational force on the surface of the moon is only 1/6, means 1/6 times less, as strong as gravitational force on the earth. Okay, this is a known thing. Then what is the question? What is the weight in Newton of a 10 kg object on the moon and on the earth? You have to find the weight both on the moon and when the object is on the earth. Remember, the mass is same, 10 kg. Okay, so one thing we know is that F on the moon, force on the moon is, gravitational force on the moon is force on the earth divided by 6. This is the meaning of 1/6. Okay, this is known thing. This is a known thing. Already we know this. Now, what is the moon? Force formula is mass into acceleration due to gravity. But acceleration due to gravity in the moon. Okay, see, the mass is same even in the moon, in the earth also. So m will not change. What is the formula for F earth? Again, m g divided by this 6, this g this time. If it is earth, you have to write earth. Okay, acceleration due to gravity in the moon is m, acceleration due to gravity in the earth is, right? Now let us see this, on both side m and m will cancel, right? So now what is remaining? We are remained with gravitational force on the earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and then g we already know. Let us find. Is 1/6 of the g in the earth. Okay, we can stop here. And now what we need, what is the weight of 10 kg object in the moon? Weight of the object when the object is in the moon, what will happen? M g moon. Okay, weight of the object when it is in the earth, on the earth, m g earth. What is m? 10. Here also 10. What is g? 1/6 of g earth. Fine. See, from here I got, okay, g moon is 1/6 g earth. 10 into 1/6. What is g on the earth? We all know it is 9.8. Very famous. Okay, 9.8 meter per second square is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. Then here, what is this? 9.8. So what is this if you multiply? 98 Newton. This is the weight of the object, this object, when it is on the surface of the earth. And what about this? If you multiply this, you will get 98 by 6, which will give you 16.33 Newton. You can see this, the object is very different from its weight is very different on the moon and on the earth. On the earth it will weight 98 Newton, but on the earth, in the moon, it will weight only 16.33 Newton. Very different. Okay, 1/6 difference is there. So this is what you need to solve in this question. Thank you.